Alibaba just dropped their most powerful AI model yet, and it's completely open source. Qwen 3.5 has nearly 400 billion parameters, a million token context window, and can compete with GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini. Let me show you what makes this so impressive. Qwen 3.5 is Alibaba's latest flagship model, and it's absolutely packed with capabilities. It's a multimodal model, which means it doesn't just work with text, it can also understand images and videos. What's really interesting is that while this model has 397 billion parameters in total, when you actually use it, only 17 billion parameters are active at any given time. This makes it surprisingly efficient for such a powerful model. The standout features here are its incredible reasoning abilities, top-tier coding performance, strong agentic capabilities, and multimodal understanding. But perhaps the most impressive spec is the million token context window. That's among the largest in the entire industry right now. Let me explain what a million token context window actually means. The context window is basically how much information you can fit into your prompt at once. With a million tokens, you can fit over 700,000 words. That's like several full-length novels. You could fit an entire medium-sized code base, or get this, over an hour of video into a single prompt. This is absolutely massive and opens up so many possibilities for what you can do with this model. Now let's talk about performance. Looking at the benchmarks, Qwen 3.5 is genuinely impressive across the board. It excels at instruction following, which means it understands exactly what you're asking it to do. It performs exceptionally well on graduate-level science questions, showing deep reasoning capabilities. Its agentic abilities are strong, meaning it can plan and execute complex multi-step tasks. And it's really good at document recognition and video reasoning. When you compare it to the top closed-source models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini, Qwen 3.5 holds its own. In many benchmarks, it's right up there competing with these premium models, and remember, this is completely free and open source. Because this is a multimodal model, it can work with much more than just text. You can upload entire videos and ask it questions about what's happening in the video. You can even ask it to create a PowerPoint presentation based on video content. The video understanding is genuinely impressive. For images, it can analyze complex scenes, understand spatial relationships, and extract detailed information. And when it comes to generating content, well, that's where things get really interesting. Let's talk about the coding capabilities because they're honestly incredible. One demo that really stood out to me is this 3D racing game that Qwen 3.5 coded from scratch. This is actually the most impressive 3D racing game I've seen any AI model create so far. Other models just haven't been able to achieve this level of detail and functionality. The game has proper physics, smooth graphics, and actually plays well. Of course, it's also excellent at front-end design. You can ask it to create something like a sunscreen product website, and it will generate a complete professional-looking site with proper layout, styling, and functionality. The code quality is clean and well-structured. You can also integrate Qwen 3.5 with tools like OpenClaw, which means you can interact with it through platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram. This makes it super convenient to use the model on the go right from your messaging apps. Now, let me show you something really impressive about its spatial awareness and reasoning. There's this demo where you upload an image of a street scene with a telephone booth and a yellow van. The question is the telephone booth on the left or right side of the yellow van? This is actually quite tricky because the yellow van is pointing north while most other cars on the lane are facing south. The telephone booth is actually to the right of the yellow van, even though visually it might seem confusing. Qwen 3.5 has to do deep spatial reasoning to figure this out, and it gets it right. This shows really sophisticated understanding of three-dimensional space and orientation. Here's another cool capability. You can upload an image of a maze and ask it to find the shortest path. What's impressive is that Qwen 3.5 doesn't just describe the path, it actually writes Python code to implement an algorithm that solves the maze. It can use proper pathfinding algorithms and visualize the result. This shows both its visual understanding and its coding abilities working together. And here's something that many top models struggle with: Sudoku puzzles. A lot of AI models have trouble with the logical constraints and step-by-step reasoning required for Sudoku. But Qwen 3.5 can actually solve them. You just upload an image of a Sudoku puzzle and it will work through the logic and give you the complete solution. This demonstrates really strong logical reasoning capabilities. Now, here's the best part. This entire model is completely open source. If you go to the GitHub repository, which I'll link in the description, you'll find all the instructions on how to download and run this locally on your own computer. You have complete access to the weights, the architecture, everything. Now, I do need to mention, with 397 billion parameters, this model is quite huge. The download size is 87 gigabytes, so you're not going to be able to run this on most consumer devices. You'd need serious hardware, basically your own data center or access to high-end cloud GPUs. This isn't something you can run on a gaming PC or a laptop. But that being said, this is still one of the absolute best open source models available right now. The fact that it's open source means researchers, developers, and companies can fine-tune it, adapt it for specific use cases, and build products on top of it without worrying about API costs or usage limits. Even if you can't download and run this locally, you can still use Qwen 3.5 completely free online through Alibaba's Qwen chat platform. You don't need to install anything or have powerful hardware. Just go to the website, select Qwen 3.5 from the model dropdown, and start using it. You get access to all these amazing capabilities through a simple web interface. This is perfect if you want to test out the model, see what it can do, or use it for your projects without the hassle of local deployment. When you compare Qwen 3.5 to other options out there, it's really competitive. Against closed source models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini, it performs similarly in many tasks. Against other open source models, it's among the very best, especially when you consider the combination of size, capability, and that massive context window. The million token context window alone puts it ahead of many competitors. Very few models can handle that much information at once. If you want to try Qwen 3.5, I've put all the important links in the description below. You'll find the GitHub repository with download instructions, the link to the free online chat platform, and the official announcement with full technical details and benchmarks. What do you think of Qwen 3.5? Are you excited about these open source models competing with the big commercial ones? What would you use a million token context window for? Let me know in the comments below.